Yo, this is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna show you this clipper right here. This clipper right here. So inside you got a charging cable. Okay, oil, guide combs, comb, shear, scissors, whatever, and the description. Okay, just for you all to know, I got this clipper really long time ago. Charging port and with a hook. Okay, power button in the name, I don't really know. Okay, this is the brand name, I guess so. Lever, but without the protection here. So I have to tell you, this is the worst clipper ever. It doesn't feel good on the hand. This is the worst clipper ever. And the RPM, and when you turn it on, this noise, you hear that? This noise is really annoying. Okay, listen guys, whosoever manufactured this clipper should be arrested. That's my word.